Everything in this video is done by professionals and in a safe environment. Please do not try this stuff at home. Thank you.
Welcome back to another video. We're spray painting, well, primering this go-kart right here. Let's get it started, y'all. Fuck. Something's happening. Did she just break? Hold up. Okay, I got it to work. Never mind. What the fuck? I'm gonna grab a different can. This can's brand new too. Here we go. Make sure to stay tuned, guys, because what is this? Episode number 4. Number 4, yep. So, stay tuned, guys. You'll get a lot more videos. Gotta be careful for this light bar, bro. That's the thing, yep. This is primer. Automotive primer. Used on metal and fiberglass surfaces for the ultimate finish. Seems pretty good. Can't get too much of the back because of the motor. Because the motor's covering everything. Pretty much. Not fucking tonight. Oh, shit. I'm gonna get the motor off next episode next episode after, we're gonna paint it next episode, and that's when we're gonna take it off. Show you guys how. get fresh. Wow, 6 minutes. Y'all just been watching me. Pretty good job, I guess. And it was pretty quick. Alright. Now, we're gonna paint the rims. When I say paint the rims, I mean primer. Where are you gonna go? There we go, that looks good. Oh, I have too much shit in the way. Fuck, I need it. I was just picking up, but just the tools, all that shit's organized. Here we go. Ah. Next room. So you got tools. I thought I picked up all the tools, but I'm tripping on them now. There we go. Take this shitter knobber off. There we go. Alright guys, that's gonna be the last of it. Make sure to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll catch y'all next time. Later.